The red-billed blue magpie, found in South and Southeast Asia, has a long, white-tipped tail, deep blue wings, a black head, and a red beak. Inhabiting hilly forests in countries like India, Nepal, and China, it is known for its loud, musical calls. Social and intelligent, it feeds on fruits, insects, and small animals. One of the longest-tailed corvids, it is agile in flight and sometimes kept as a pet for its mimicry skills. The greater yellow nape, a medium-sized woodpecker from South and Southeast Asia, has a bright yellow nape, crested head, and olive-green upperparts. Males feature a black mustache stripe. It uses a strong, chisel-shaped bill to extract insects with its sticky tongue. Found in moist forests up to 2,500 meters, it is often seen alone or in pairs. Its diet includes insects, fruits, and tree sap, and it is known for its loud calls and rattling sounds. The black bulbul is a sleek, medium-sized songbird with dark plumage and a red beak. Found in forests, foothills, and plantations at 500 to 2,500 meters, it is highly social and agile, often moving in flocks. Omnivorous, it feeds on fruits, berries, nectar, and insects, playing a key role in seed dispersal. While not as musical as other bulbuls, it is vocal and noisy in groups. Males and females are identical in appearance. The white-throated laughing thrush, native to the Himalayas, has a white throat, brownish-grey upper body, and a dark eye mask. Adapted for ground foraging, it has a long tail and strong legs. Found in forests at 1,500 to 3,500 meters, it moves to lower elevations in winter. Social and vocal, it forages in noisy flocks, feeding on insects, fruits, seeds, and invertebrates. The rufous-chinned laughing thrush is a shy, secretive forest bird with a soft rufous chin and melodious calls. Found at medium to high elevations, 1,000 to 3,000 meters, it is social but elusive, often in small, noisy flocks. It forages on the forest floor, searching for insects, berries, and seeds, and is known for mimicking bird calls. Preferring dense undergrowth, it stays low in foliage and nests in thick bushes. The Kalij pheasant, found in the Himalayas and South Asian foothills, has glossy plumage in males and mottled brown females for camouflage. It inhabits dense forests near water up to 3,000 meters, foraging for seeds, berries, and insects in small groups. Shy and ground-dwelling, it is highly adaptable and often seen near villages. It is the state bird of Uttarakhand, India. The chestnut-bellied nuthatch is a small, agile bird with slate blue-grey upperparts, a chestnut belly, and a black eye stripe. Known for climbing tree trunks headfirst, it uses its sharp, curved bill to peck bark for insects and store food in crevices. Found in oak, pine, and mixed woodlands up to 3,000 meters, it feeds on insects, seeds, and nuts, often seen alone or in pairs within mixed flocks. The rusty-cheeked scimitar babbler, known for its rusty cheek patch and long, curved bill, is a secretive bird found in dense lowland forests and bamboo thickets. Shy and often heard before seen, it forages in small groups or pairs, feeding mainly on insects like beetles and ants with occasional fruits. Its curved bill is ideal for probing the ground and bark for food. The green-backed tit, a small and colorful songbird, is found in the Himalayas and Southeast Asia. It has a black head, throat, and upper chest, with white cheek patches and bright olive-green upperparts. Acrobatic and active, it forages upside down for insects, seeds, and nectar in forests up to 3,500 meters. It nests in tree cavities, often using old woodpecker holes, and thrives in montane forests. The white-crested laughing thrush, native to South and Southeast Asia, is a highly social and vocal bird with a striking white crest and black facial mask. Found in dense forests and bamboo groves up to 2,500 meters, it moves in noisy flocks and forages on the ground for insects, fruits, and seeds. With a strong black bill, it flips leaves and scratches soil. Known for mimicking calls, it often follows monkey troops to catch. The oriental turtle dove, a medium-sized bird, has warm brown plumage with scaly wings, a black and white neck patch, and a broad tail with white edges. Found across Asia and parts of Europe, it inhabits forests, woodlands, and urban parks. Migratory in northern regions, it is shy and feeds on seeds, grains, and fruits, often foraging on the ground in open fields and roadsides. The tawny fish owl, a large and powerful owl with tawny brown feathers and striking yellow eyes, is known for its prominent ear tufts and round facial disc. A nocturnal hunter, it lives near water in forests, wetlands, and riverbanks, feeding on fish, amphibians, and aquatic birds. Solitary except during breeding, it nests in cavities or dense foliage, sometimes using abandoned nests. The spotted forktail, an elusive river bird with black and white plumage and a long, forked tail, has a glossy black head and white underparts. Preferring fast-moving mountain streams up to 3,000 meters, it forages for insects and small crustaceans. Territorial and often seen alone or in pairs, it nests in hidden crevices along riverbanks. Its forked tail enhances its aerial agility while navigating water. The plumbeous redstart, a small, agile river bird, is found near fast-flowing mountain streams in South and East Asia. Males have a slate blue body with a rusty orange tail, while females have a grayish body and speckled belly. Known for their tail-wagging behavior, they hunt insects by hawking or picking them off water surfaces. Insectivorous, they nest in rock crevices near waterfalls, found up to 4,000 meters in elevation. The crested kingfisher, one of Asia's largest kingfishers, is known for its bold black and white plumage and distinctive crest. With a spiky crest, black eye stripe, and speckled body, it has a long, thick bill ideal for catching fish. Found near fast-flowing rivers in forested, mountainous areas, it hunts by diving headfirst into water. Solitary or in pairs, it digs long tunnels for nesting, preferring mountain rivers over lakes. The black-headed jay is a striking, intelligent bird found in South Asia's mountainous forests. It has a black head with a white eyebrow, chestnut-brown body, and blue-black wings with white spots. Highly social and omnivorous, it feeds on fruits, seeds, insects, and small vertebrates. Known for caching food in tree crevices, it uses its strong beak to crack nuts and store food for leaner months. Adaptable and curious, it often forages in groups and is found in temperate and subtropical forests. The white-throated fantail, a small, acrobatic passerine, is known for its fanned tail and lively behavior. Found in forests and gardens at 500 to 2,500 meters, it catches insects midair and feeds on caterpillars and beetles. Aggressive toward intruders, it uses its tail to flush out prey and can hover to snatch it. The blue whistling thrush is a striking bird with deep blue plumage and melodic whistling calls. Found in mountain forests and rocky streams at altitudes of 1,000 to 3,500 meters, it is active and bold, often seen near water. Omnivorous, it feeds on insects, small vertebrates, and berries. Known for its flute-like calls, it sings day and night and can mimic other bird calls. It is considered a symbol of good luck in some cultures. The red-billed Leothrix, also known as the Pekin robin or Chinese nightingale, is a colorful, melodious songbird found in South and Southeast Asia. It prefers dense undergrowth and bamboo thickets at 500 to 2,500 meters. Social and active, it feeds on berries, fruits, seeds, and insects, playing a key role in seed dispersal. Known for its soft, flute-like calls, it thrives in both natural and disturbed habitats and forms strong pair bonds. The gray-headed woodpecker, a medium-sized bird with a gray head and greenish body, is found in woodlands and hilly areas. It forages for ants, termites, and beetles on tree trunks and the ground. Less noisy than other woodpeckers, it uses camouflage to avoid predators and roosts in tree holes. It feeds on insects, fruits, and seeds, and drums softly during the breeding. The grey tree pie, a large and intelligent songbird of the crow family, inhabits forests and foothills at mid to high elevations. Moving in small groups, it forages for insects, fruits, and small vertebrates. Shy yet social, it avoids humans but is known for problem-solving and tool use, aiding in seed dispersal. The Indian white-eye, a small songbird with bright yellow plumage and a white eye-ring, is found in woodlands, gardens, and parks. It feeds on nectar, insects, and fruits, often hovering while feeding. Social and noisy, it forms flocks, aids in pollination, and controls insect populations. It forms monogamous pairs, with both parents sharing nesting duties. The Asian barred owlet, a small, stocky owl with barred plumage, is active by day, especially mornings and afternoons. Found in forests and gardens at 500 to 2,500 meters, it hunts insects, rodents, and reptiles. Territorial and aggressive, it uses strong talons for hunting and mates for life, with both parents raising chicks. The rufous-throated partridge, a shy ground dweller of the Himalayas and Southeast Asia, has intricate plumage and a rufous throat. Preferring to walk, it scratches leaf litter for seeds, insects, and roots. Mating for life, both parents care for chicks in hidden nests. When startled, it bursts into brief flight, vanishing into dense vegetation. The gray-winged blackbird, with its black and grey plumage and melodious song, is found in dense montane forests. Shy and secretive, it forages in leaf litter for fruits, insects, and snails. Males sing to attract mates and defend territory. Unlike other blackbirds, it prefers forests and is often mistaken for the Eurasian blackbird due to its grey wings. Its call often reveals its presence. The common green magpie, with its vibrant green plumage, is found in dense forests of South and Southeast Asia. A shy yet active hunter, it uses teamwork to hunt insects, small reptiles, bird eggs, and nestlings. It is a fast flyer but prefers hopping through trees. This carnivorous bird occasionally eats fruits and berries. The black-throated thrush, a migratory bird from Central Asia and Siberia, has grey plumage and a black throat, males. Wintering in South Asia, it frequents gardens and orchards, feeding on insects, berries, and nectar. Males sing in summer, aiding seed dispersal, and sometimes hybridize with the red-throated thrush. The cheer pheasant is a rare, elusive bird native to the Himalayan foothills, known for its cryptic plumage and strong flight. Preferring steep slopes and scrub forests, it is shy and well camouflaged. Omnivorous, it feeds on roots, insects, and small fruits. It is endangered due to habitat loss and hunting, often foraging in small groups and escaping by running. The striated laughing thrush, found in the Himalayas, has streaked plumage and soft, musical calls. Preferring dense forests, it forages in small, active flocks. An omnivore, it eats insects, fruits, and seeds. Shy yet social, it often joins mixed-species flocks, staying hidden in foliage. The chestnut thrush, found in the Himalayas and China, has rich chestnut plumage and a melodious song. Preferring montane forests, it forages alone or in pairs for berries, insects, and nectar. Shy and elusive, it hides in dense vegetation, with its song most noticeable in spring. It plays a key role in mountain berry seed dispersal. The mountain bulbul, found in montane forests across South and Southeast Asia, is known for its olive-brown plumage and bubbly song. Active and social, it forages in mixed-species flocks, feeding on berries, insects, and nectar. Shy but not reclusive, it helps in seed dispersal and is easily identified by its streaked throat and long crest. The rufous tree pie, a striking and intelligent bird of South Asia, has rufous and black plumage and loud calls. Social and curious, it mimics birds and follows animals for food. An omnivore, it eats insects, fruits, and scraps, aiding in pest control and holding cultural significance in India. The rufous-bellied niltava, a colorful passerine of the Himalayas and Southeast Asia, has vivid blue plumage and a rufous belly. Preferring dense forests, it forages alone on insects and fruits. Shy and elusive, it is hard to spot, with males using their striking colors in courtship. The brown dipper, found in cold, fast-flowing streams, is known for its earthy brown plumage and distinctive bobbing. A strong swimmer, it dives for insects, crustaceans, and small fish. Solitary or in pairs, it thrives in cold water with waterproof plumage and specialized vision, earning its name from its dipping behavior.